Hi guys, this is Amy, your Norwex independent consultant. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the handheld cleaning system. It is so fast for cleaning windows. I'm actually getting ready to go around my whole house and do all the windows, and I'll probably get it done in less than 10 minutes. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. So the handheld cleaning system is made up of 3 pieces. So we've got the small window mop pad, which you can toss in the washing machine when it's dirty with the rest of your Norwex. Just make sure you wash it with a good filler-free laundry detergent. It also comes with the small mop base and the all-purpose handle. The all-purpose handle is really neat because it has an added benefit, has a little brush in the bottom, which is great for getting small cracks and crevices. So you can use this on a number of surfaces. I use it mainly on windows, but you can also use it on shower doors, on tile, in your car, truck, and also the little corners get down in small crevices. So how you use it is simple. You keep the window mop pad dry and get a little spray bottle of water. Here I have our Forever bottle, which I love. They come in a set of 3 or you can buy them single. So what you wanna do is you wanna mist your window with just a little bit of water. Don't over mist it, and just start cleaning it with the handheld cleaning system. And it cleans it to a streak-free shine. Now you can also use your Enviro cloth and window cloth, but this is much faster. And another feature on the base is that you can lock it in place to where it swivels or it just stays nice and straight. I like using it straight. So I can get that window took what, 2 seconds? So I'm gonna do this one. And then we'll go outside and I'll get the outside of the windows, and you'll see it doesn't take any time at all. So fast, and no chemicals and no paper towel waste, which is great. That means your kids can help you. Hopefully they hear me say that. All right, so let's go outside and we're going to do the other side and just see how fast this is. All right, I'm gonna sit you guys down. Here we go. Now the outside of the glass is a little bit dirtier because there's pollen, things like that. So you just want to mist it a little bit, and then take your pad and just go over it. You only need to go over it 1 time, gets it nice and clean. And now that window is done. Streak-free shine. No dots or spots. Now, if there was anything sticky like sap on your window, then you would want to maybe use your Enviro cloth. So let's do the other side super fast. Now I noticed that my screen door is a little dirty, so I'm probably going to get that with the dust mitt wet. But again, you just want to spray a little bit of water and then just go over it with your handheld cleaning system. And if you have a lot of Norwex already, if you have the mop already, then you can get the large window mop pad. You can also connect the mop handle to the base and get windows that are up high. So this comes in 2 sizes. This is the small, and then there's a larger one, almost twice as long, so you can get bigger windows really fast. I'm also going to be able to use this in my shower on my glass shower doors. So I'll see you guys later. I hope